Foot number 4 on the Singer Featherweight C240 sewing machine is the zipper foot. Now this is really easy to work with, but you do have to put it on correctly. So you definitely can see the number 4 on the front of the foot. So I mentioned that because you technically can put it on this way, it just doesn't work out so well. And these 3 little tritons, the reason for that is because you can attach it on the left side or the right side, and these little grooves is where the Singer integrated even feed system, the part in the back that comes down, can fit in. So depending on what side of the zipper teeth you need to be on for stitching, then you will attach the foot to that correct side. We're going to use just a regular straight stitch, and oftentimes when you just go ahead and leave the needle with that center needle position. Okay, now the foot is small, so you just have to kind of lift up or even lower the foot down onto the foot itself. There we go. That was easier for me today. Is that the needle can be moved closer to the zipper teeth if you need to. So when you lower the presser foot down, you can see how close to the teeth you can get. But if you want to move the needle position, you can move it over to the left a little bit further. So here we go. Actually, I'm going to back up just a little bit. Make sure the dual feed or the even feed system is pulled down. That will make it really easy to make sure it pulls in evenly. So once you stitch the zipper right side to your fabric, I mean, look at all the fun bags that are out there that have a zipper as an opening. It is actually nothing to be scared about. You just got to put your first zipper in if you've ever done it. Most patterns are very well pictured or described. And of course, since you have a perfect foot for this. Now, oftentimes after you sew your zipper on, you fold it back, take it to your iron and give it a good press. Then you can come and attach the foot to the opposite side. See where the foot would come down this time? You would want to move the foot to be attached to the right side, and then my needle would be nice and close to that edge. You also could come back and sew it from the opposite end and not have to change the foot, which is what I feel like I'm going to do today. So again, the needle could be moved so it's closer to the edge for the top stitching, and this just makes it just look really nice. And again, if you've done the little pressing, that will make it nicely hold in place. All right, but this will give you an idea. Okay, so then we've got kind of a nice secure zipper stitched on that we can open easily. And did you notice how long this zipper is? I love to use super long zippers when I am working with patterns. So if they tell me I need a size, like a 7-inch zipper, but I have a 14-inch zipper, I will use it because it's actually, I mean, most of those bag patterns, you're cutting it off anyway. So you can just use the part that you use and the rest just gets, honestly, thrown away. So if I was going to be working with the other side of the fabric, so if we wanted to attach this here, yes, I'm going to put my fabrics right sides together, flip it over, so then you're back on the top. I like to see my zipper when I sew, and then you'll just repeat just like we did to add the second piece to the other side of the zipper.